guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Malia, and today I am bringing you guys some cleaning motivation. Today's video is going to be a weekend clean with me, so I'm going to be getting my home all cleaned up and ready to go for the new week ahead. If you guys are looking for some cleaning motivation, whether you want to sit down and relax and watch it or get up and clean along, this video is definitely for you, so don't go anywhere. But enough talking, let's go ahead and jump right into this video and start cleaning.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning.
As usual, I'm starting out in my master bedroom because making my bed always gives me the motivation I need to get the rest of my home cleaned. And I'm going to try not to talk all the way through this video like I do my other videos. For those of you that are cleaning along with me, I want you to be able to enjoy the music while you're cleaning.
Stayed over the surface, now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon.
Wiping down the top of my dresser and the top of my nightstands are a must when I'm cleaning my bedroom. As you can see, they do have the rustic wood look to them, so you can never tell when they're dusty or have anything on them. So I always wipe them down along with my lamps after I'm done making my bed.
What you give is worth it when you're holding me, when you hold me so close. I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther.
For the diffuser in my bedroom, I do like to use the frankincense essential oils because it makes my bedroom smell so good. And for anyone that's interested in the diffuser I have, I did get it from Walmart, and I will try to link it down below.
Everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life.
Finally, I'm going to vacuum my bedroom floor and the rug with my cordless vacuum, and then I'm going to move on into the kitchen. So I'm going to start out by unloading the dishwasher and putting away all of my clean dishes. That way I can load it up with all of my dirty ones. Dishes are definitely not my favorite thing to do, so I want to go ahead and get them out of the way.
You just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one.
Some of you may be wondering why I'm pulling toys out of the sink, but for Christmas, Aubrey did get this bath bomb maker, and every time you make bath bombs, you do have to wash it out really good, so I had it in the sink drying.
Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gun and baby, you're my tree. back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high, you're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one.
To clean my sink, I am going in with the liquid bleach. I do also like to use dishwashing liquid with it, just so it'll kill the bleach smell a little bit. That way it's not too strong.
Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him.
To wipe down my countertops, I'm using some multi-purpose surface spray that I got from the Dollar General that I have in my Grove glass bottle. I'm almost out of my Method granite cleaner, so I'm just using this for right now until I can order some more.
All the time, I can get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter.
Since I was done using this dirty cloth and I was going to toss it into the dirty clothes, I thought I would go ahead and wipe down my trash can with it. That way I didn't have to get a clean one.
If you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do.
The last thing I'm going to do is vacuum my kitchen floor and then go ahead and start on my kids' bedrooms.
You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark.
Starting out in Aubrey's bedroom, I always start by making the bed as usual and then move around the room to putting away her toys.
I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
When picking up the kids' toys, I do try to organize them and put them in little groups and put them where they go instead of just tossing all of them into their toy box.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new.
Moving into Mason's room, his room is a lot easier to clean than Aubrey's because he has a lot of bigger toys like trucks and tractors. Aubrey has a lot of smaller toys, so you do have to pick through them and organize them.
When we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. 2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Now I'm just going to vacuum his floor and that will finish up this video. I hope you all enjoyed it and got tons of cleaning motivation from it. If you did, go ahead and leave this video a like. It really helps my channel. Also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope you all have had an amazing weekend and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.